So I got, I'm over here with the 850C John Deere, nice little dozer, and gotta trace one of the lines out here. We got the leak, gotta go run it off so it's leaking all over so we can get this going. Max 16's doing some other stuff, hit me up, love to help out when I can, and that's what we got rolling. So we're gonna get up in this and hopefully I get enough battery power and I can make this quick. And yeah, that's it. Thanks, guys. Perfect. And one more there. So, looks like that one's pissing. So it goes with one of the cylinders. And, this block goes here, catcher line goes down to there. That was the pain in the butt. I ended up taking this one off, which I didn't want to do a little bit. Then I was able to put it back on. So now we'll freaking put them back together. I'll fire it up, and then the last piece will move this plate back over there. So this isn't really good a video. I should have had my headset on, and I'll probably just show you when it's done. So I apologize, guys. But like I said, on this John Deere 850C, this one has this pillow, like little block cover on it, and then all that protects your hoses from crap getting in there, and then down here just hooks up. So that's all I had to do. But yeah, I'll show you when I'm done. Thanks.